Understanding the presser foot, a key sewing machine component. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of sewing machines, the presser foot. Whether you're new to sewing or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will shed light on what the presser foot is and its importance in sewing. The presser foot is a vital part of a sewing machine. It's the small attachment that applies pressure to the fabric while you sew, holding it in place against the feed dogs. These feed dogs move the fabric forward as you stitch, ensuring a smooth sewing process. The presser foot comes in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific sewing tasks. There are several types of presser feet, each serving a unique purpose. Standard presser foot, used for basic sewing tasks. Zipper foot, designed for sewing zippers with ease. Buttonhole foot, helps in creating buttonholes. Walking foot, ideal for sewing multiple layers of fabric or quilting. Changing the presser foot is a simple process. Usually, it involves loosening a screw or lever to release the foot and then attaching the new one. Adjusting the pressure of the foot is also crucial for different types of fabric. Heavier fabrics may require more pressure, while lighter ones need less. Sometimes, you might face issues with the presser foot, such as skipped stitches. This could be due to a mismatch between the fabric, needle, and presser foot. Fabric not feeding properly. Check if the presser foot is correctly installed and if the feed dogs are functioning well. The presser foot is a small but mighty component of the sewing machine, crucial for successful sewing projects. Understanding its types and uses can enhance your sewing experience. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your sewing journey. Happy sewing!